This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video I am going to share with you how to add products to your shop or a store in your Facebook page. Please check my previous video. I will provide at the top of this video in the I button how to create your own shop or store in your Facebook page. After creating shop or a store in your Facebook page, and you have to add products to your shop in Facebook page. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel VL Infotech so that you will never miss an update, and click also bell icon. You will never miss an update. And coming to this channel, I will create a content regarding all Facebook accounts, all social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also regarding websites and how to customize websites, how to create a new YouTube channel. You can check my channel. Already I created so many videos. This is the overview of my channel. Now let's get into the video. How to add products to your shop in your Facebook page. And the steps are: open your Facebook page, and the second step is create products to sell. What type of products you want to sell? You want to sell your own products, or you want to promote your Amazon affiliate product links or Flipkart affiliate product links? Now in this video I am going to sell my Amazon product links. If you have your own store, you can sell your own products. Let's get started. First step is open your Facebook page, and this is my Facebook page. Inspirelife Activities Everything. This is the Facebook page I created. In this, I created a shop. This is my shop. Your shop isn't visible to customers until you add inventory. Get started by adding a product below. Now I'm going to add a product. Click on Add Product. Now you can see over here we have to add pictures, videos, and name of the product, and price, and description, checkout URL, and share this product on your page. You want this product to be visible to public or unpublished. You can select, and condition selector, new or used, refurbished, used good, you can select. Now I am going to add my first product to this store. Now third step is add your Amazon product links. Now go to your Amazon Associate account. I already signed up my Amazon Associate account, and open your Amazon Associate account, and this is my Amazon affiliate account. Now from here you have to get the product links. Now click product linking and click product links. Now I am going to select a product to promote. I am promoting Think Like a Monk, and get the link. And this is the product. Now first step is you have to add pictures. First step is you have to add pictures or videos. Now I am adding photos of that product, and the product is this one. From open new tab from Google, type things like a monk. Go to images. Now I am going to save this image. Now go to your Facebook page and click on add photos. I'm adding photos from my computer and click on select files to add a photo. Now I am selecting a photo just now we downloaded from the Google. This is the page. This is the photo. And select this photo and click on use photo. You can add so many photos and videos. Now I am adding only one photo and go to your Amazon associate link, associate account. Then click on text only and copy this product name and paste here. And now price is, you can see price over here. Price is 390 rupees. Now you can add 450 rupees. Show this product. If you want to sell this product, you have to add price. And coming to this option, this product is on sale. I'm clicking this and sale price is 390 rupees. This is the business tactic that if a customer says that the book price is 450 and now he is getting for 390 rupees, then he is saving 60 rupees, then he will immediately make a purchase. That's why I am showing this product is on sale. And now coming to description, go to this page and click on this. It will redirect to your Amazon account. And now you can see description here. And this is the description. And now you have to copy this description and paste over here. Description is done. Now coming to checkout URL. If a customer or user clicks on your product link, then to which URL you want to redirect to your customer, then you have to add your URL. Then now I am adding URL to check out the purchase. Go to your Amazon associate account, click text only and get the short link and click highlight HTML, copy this and paste over here. Show this product on your page. Yes, I am selecting this. Your product will be shared on your page as soon as it's been approved. Visibility, public or unpublished. I am selecting public because I want to show to everyone. Product condition. You want to sell a product new or refurbished or used fair, used good, used like new. You have to select an option. I am selecting new and click on add product. Now successfully we added a product to your Facebook page. Now you can see over here the price is 390 rupees, which was 450 rupees actually, but it is on sale. It is showing, and this is the book description, and this is the name of the book. This is the picture. If you want to edit, click on edit, and we will see if the page link, if this link is working or not. And click on this link. The marketplace isn't available to you. You may be seeing this message if you recently joined Facebook, if marketplace isn't launched in your country, or if your account does not meet our eligibility requirements. To learn more, visit our help center. Learn more. The link does not work for me. Why can't I access marketplace? The link works, but it comes my access was removed. My access to marketplace was removed. The link works, but I don't see the marketplace shortcut in the Facebook app. I can't find the marketplace shortcut in the Facebook app. Marketplace isn't available to everyone right now. I can't access marketplace. We are working to update Facebook.com and Help Center. If you don't see instructions for the version you are using, learn how to switch versions or report a problem. It looks like this doesn't apply to mobile user. Help. The links below offer instructions for other apps or browsers. Let's try once again. The marketplace isn't available to you. You may be using this message. You may be seeing this message if you recently joined Facebook. If the marketplace isn't launched in your country, or if your account does not meet our eligibility requirements. Why I'm saying this? Because recently I joined my Facebook account, so I am seeing this email. I am seeing this message. And also you can see if marketplace hasn't launched in your country. These are the two reasons I am getting this message. Now let's try once again. Now I am going to these pages I created recently, so I am getting that error. If you have any Facebook page more than a year, then you can promote your Amazon affiliate links and sell your products. Now we will add another one. Now I'm going to select this, click the link, click text only, click this one, copy, and open in the new tab to get the image of this book and select here. These are images. Now I'm going to download an image, click save, download 26. Now go to your Facebook page and add photos from your computer and select files, image 26, and now successfully uploaded. Use photo and coming to name, paste this name, and what is the price? You can see the price as 385. Go to your Facebook page, 485, and click this product on sale, 385, and coming to description, click this product so that you will get product description, read more. This is the product description. Copy this and paste it over description and checkout URL. And checkout URL is copy this URL and paste here. Share this product on your page. Your product will be shared on your page as soon as it's been approved. Let's try remove this, share this product on your page, and visibility is public and condition is new. I'm selecting condition is new and add a product. And now you can see the product is successfully added to your shop in your Facebook page. And click on this product link. Now again I am getting this message. I don't know why I am getting this message. If anybody knows why I am getting this message, please comment below so that I will also know. Then I will get to know why I am getting this error message. They are telling that you may be seeing this message because I recently joined to Facebook. Yeah, that is correct because I recently created this Facebook page and also marketplace hasn't launched in my country, I think so. These are the two reasons I am saying because I am seeing this message. Please comment below why I am unable to sell products on my Facebook page. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.